Welcome to the municipality of Pantauragat, Lanao del Norte, a model town of this province. Situated at the interior 30 kilometers from the National Highway. The incumbent municipal mayor, Honorable Eleanor de Maporo Lantod. You can be the eyewitness, the growth, development, and prosperity of this town. Pantauragat is the only with complete infrastructure projects like concrete roads, drainage, street light, gymnasium, health center, public market, and school buildings. They have also function hall served for all occasions. The scenic beauty of this town is amusing, plus the fertility of the soil with abundant harvest. The peace and order is totally maintained by the PNP and the Army. The town is retrospect is a model in this province. Much more if it is situated in the highway seen by the passers-by. This is the only town where barangay election, no rival, and peaceful.
Kasama namin ngayon ang guidance counselor ng Pantauragat High School, no? Agro-Industrial High School with the presence of Manguranda. Siya magsabi kung ano ang katayuan, present situation ng eskwelahan dito sa Pantauragat.
The administrative of Pantauragat Agro-Industrial High School, I am Maimuna Manguranda, the designated guidance counselor. And our principal, Haja Nur Hanipa Umisala Makabanding, is out to receive the 11 units computer given to us by the DepEd. So, ang masasabi ko lang dito sa aming lugar, our school is complete secondary school from first year to fourth year with a total of 525 students with only 13 teachers, including the 12 teachers, including the principal, 13, and 1 utility worker. Ang masasabi ko lang, itong aming lugar, which is headed by our beloved municipal mayor, Haja Nisrin Eleanor de Maporo Lantod, is properly cared by her. We are supported by her in all the activities and all the enrolling our school. Our municipality is peacefully, Christians and Muslims are living side by side at walang nangyayari walang nangyayaring kaguluhan dito sa aming lugar.
Maraming salamat, ma'am. So, ang
to the town of Pantauragat, maybe I can strongly recommend that our town will be considered as one of the municipal town of Lanao del Norte. A model town of Lanao del Norte.
Complete facilities.
With complete facilities.
Ngayon, ang isang fourth year student, si Miss Saudatang Kwal, Gumama. Siya ang magsabi kung anong situation ng mga estudyante dito sa Pantauragat.
Tangkwal, ang aming paralan ay sinusuportahan ng aming mayor at sana maging modelo ang aming lugar sa iba pang lugar dito sa Mindanao na payapa.
ABC President sa Pantauragat, punong barangay ng Dilimbayan, Pantauragat. Sir Mike, what you can say about your meeting here and itong resulta ng election?
Sa tanan siguro, sa tibok, sa lahat ng mga barangay, sa buong lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, ito ang pinaka-peaceful nga halalan. Ang iski at saka yung barangay election, synchronized barangay at saka iski election. Kay all of the 20 barangays, no opponents. Wala kaming kalaban. Yun nga, sinabi ko, this is the most peaceful election ever held in the province of Lanao del Norte.
Walang patayan.
Walang patayan.
Walang untoward.
Walang nangyari. No toward incidents happened in our municipality. This meeting, because you are asking me what is the purpose of this meeting. The main purpose of this meeting is kasi malapit na yung assumption of office of the newly elected barangay officials of Pantauragan, Lanao del Norte, because we will, under the law, we will take our oath of office on November 13, noon of November 30, 2010. Lahat na mga barangay official na nanalo sa election, duly elected by their constituents, will assume office on November, at noon of November 30, 2010. So we are this meeting is in preparation for our assumption of office, because ang gusto namin, we will talk our oath of office simultaneously within one place, like our municipal function hall. We will take their oath on maybe on June 30 or on November 30 or on November 29. Pili kami. So you have said how many times you have visited our place, like our local media from the city of Iligan and the province of Lanao del Norte. How many times that you have visited our place? You have seen the different yung mga development namin, at saka nakikita nanyo yun ang sinabi ni yung former mayor of Quezon City, si Jun Simon, nung bumisita siya rito, nangangampanya kay Noynoy Aquino. Sabi niya, ang tinatawag niya na sit in the forest ang Pantauragan, kasi sabi niya parang Makati ito kasi nakikita mo yung yung mga municipal street within the population, at saka so far sa ko lang, we are the cleanest municipality. We are as far as infrastructure and other developments is concerned, we are recommending our municipality to the Aquino government and other agencies of the national government, that we must be the model town, not only in the province of Lanao del Norte, but throughout northern Mindanao.
So thank you, Vice President Mike Magluba. The integrity of this person, I can vouch for his integrity and his loyal services to the people of Pantauragan, Lanao. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you also.